This month, we're only 4 days into the month here, have had almost 2.5 inches of rain so far this month. So June's picked up where May left off. That's above normal for the month by almost 1.9 inches. This year, we've had over 27 inches of rain, 27.5 inches. This is up to date through today, by the way. That's above normal by over 10 inches of rain, and it continues to be the 6th wettest year on record to date. But I just went back and looked a little bit, and we've had 39 years on record that didn't see this much rain the entire year. 2005 was one of those that was memorable. 2011 was one of the ones that was memorable. You know how dry those years were, but we've had 37 other years where we didn't have 27.5 inches of rain the entire year. So it's been a more rainy start to the year. Here's to see what happens as we head through the rest of the summer and into the fall months. But we've had our fair share, obviously, and enough to go around for the time being. And more on the way tonight. Maybe another 1 to 3 inches, especially east of the immediate DFW area, though Collin County under a flood watch starting late tonight, running through tomorrow morning. Any amount of heavy rain could cause additional flooding, so that's why the flood watch is in place. There's also a severe weather threat overnight tonight. It's a 2 on a scale of 5 from DFW to the north. My main concerns are those strong wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour, and there could be some isolated instances of up to quarter-size hail. But any storm chances are late tonight, more so during the early morning hours tomorrow, because the storms that we're waiting on haven't even formed yet. They're going to form west of Oklahoma City sometime this evening, form into one of those kind of complexes of storms, kind of a cluster or complex of storms, and then move to the south-southeast overnight tonight, arriving in the DFW area maybe as early as midnight for areas a little closer to the Red River, then across kind of the northeastern half of North Texas, 3 in the morning, 5 in the morning. There you go. Best chances will be east to DFW, eastern North Texas, basically where that flood watch is in place. But I can't rule out some storms making their way into the DFW area, maybe 3, 4, 5 in the morning. But better chances will be along kind of an east of I-35 late tonight. But midnight to 3 in the morning, northern portions of North Texas. For everybody else, it's about 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. for when those storms arrive. But remember, not necessarily everybody will see storms. Basically, the farther east and northeast you go, the better your chances are late tonight and into tomorrow morning. But I can't rule out some storms kind of moving into DFW sometime in that 3 to 6 a.m., maybe more so like 3 to 5 in the morning tomorrow as well. But the highest coverage of those storms will be east and northeast to DFW late tonight and into tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, a little lingering rain, 10 a.m. east, southeast to DFW, but then all that will move out and will be dry by the lunch hour tomorrow and dry tomorrow afternoon and evening. And that'll start at least a couple days of dry weather for us. So I don't have any rain Thursday or Friday, but I do have some spotty showers or storms Saturday, and maybe those rain chances start to ramp up Sunday and into Monday again. And we could be talking another ½ an inch to an inch of rain on the way for the DFW area. But remember, east of DFW where that flood watch is in place, it could be another 1 to 3 inches. Some of that could all fall tonight, but there potentially another round of rain through the weekend. So through next Tuesday, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches with ½ an inch to an inch for the DFW area. And of course, any heavy rain will continue to cause some flooding issues. So tonight, thunderstorms are possible with heavy rain and gusty winds, 72 for the low. And then tomorrow, a dry and warm afternoon after those morning storms come to an end. It's also an ozone action day, and it's 90 for the high tomorrow, jumping up to 95 on Thursday, 93 on Friday, 90s for the upcoming weekend. Storm chances return for the weekend and into early next week, but we could actually cool down a little bit with the rain chances returning. So it's 88 Monday, 87 on Tuesday. Through that following week, we start to warm back up and dry on out, and highs will be back in the 90s for the end of that week and into that following weekend, which of course is Father's Day weekend. So as of now, we got Father's Day weekend looking dry, and the pattern's starting to calm down a little bit after the early part of next week, but a couple more rounds of rain potentially headed our way with, as we talked about, that first one tonight.